Now it has become fashionable to talk about various food ingredients that supposedly can be hazardous to health. But, first, it depends on the amount and frequency of intake. Secondly, it depends on the health of the person. In this video, I should tell you about the gluten-free diet, why it is a medical necessity, not a diet, and cannot be recommended to everyone. As always on our channel, only reliable, accessible and understandable information about health. If you are interested in videos about health, physiology of women and men, effective methods of prevention and treatment of diseases, medical news, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. When there was a shortage of butter in some counties, where some doctors spoke on the local radio about the danger of butter. Then cheese became harmful, followed by sausage, milk, etc. Each stick has two ends. So, in food, benefits and harms. You have probably heard about the fashion trend, food products that do not contain gluten. The gluten-free diet has been around for over a decade. Now many supermarkets sell gluten-free products. The price is 150 to 200% higher. A gluten-free diet is a medical necessity, not a diet, and it cannot be recommended to everyone, even if it is advised by newly minted food gurus. About 1% of people suffer from a serious disease, celiac disease. They cannot tolerate a special type of vegetable protein, gluten, which is abundant in cereals. Such people need a gluten-free diet from early childhood. More than 63% of dieters think it will improve their health when in fact the effect is often the opposite. Regarding the gluten-free diet, there are many exaggerations of benefits, which means false information. Clinical studies have shown that a gluten-free diet does not benefit in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases, but on the contrary, slightly increases their level. Leads to insufficiency of folic acid, vitamins B12, D, calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, as well as fibers. Increases the level of diabetes and does not lower the level of metabolic syndromes. Significantly increases the level of arsenic, mercury, copper, cadmium and other toxic substances in the blood and human tissues. A gluten-free diet is indicated when you are suffering of celiac disease or other gluten sensitivity-associated digestive disorders, FODMAPs. In other cases, do not chase a fashion. If this video was interesting for you and you learned new information, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share links with your friends. We promise you a lot of informative and useful videos on our channel. And in the meantime, you can choose one of the past videos, on the right or on the left.